everyone. Let us try to understand this thing. This MP is how much at this point? MP equals to your 1 by 4 MP equal to 1 by 4 1 by 4 Fy into Vd square, Fy into Bd square, and My equals to 1 by 6 Fy into Bd square. These are the values for this thing. Maybe if the UDL is there, so the relation between this MP and Fy, this difference is your MP minus My because of this distance x. So x square divided by the second degree curve, so L by 2 square equals to your MP minus My divided by MP. So this will be your MP means 1 by 4 Bd square Fy minus 1 by 6 Fy Bd square divided by 1/4 Bd square into Fy. So let us try, let us find out. This will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 4. So this will be 6 minus 4 divided by 24, 24 multiplied by 4. This is 2 by 6, 2 by 6, 2 by 6. 1 by 4, 6 minus 4 divided by 24 multiplied by 2 by 6. So your x square upon L square into 4 equals to 2 by 6. So your x square upon L square equal to 2 by 6 divided by 4. So this is 2, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. So x equals to your 1 by 12 into L square, x square. So x equals to your L root over 12, L root over 12. So the value of x is the length of plastic, half length of the plastic hinge. So we can get it L by root over 12. L by root over 12. So this is L upon 2 into root over 3. So this is 1 by 2 by root 3. This is 0.28. This is 0.929. This is 0.2L. So your plastic hinge length will be 0.29 L into 2. So this is multiplied by 2. This is your 0.57, 0.58. This is the length of the plastic. So in this way you can find out always the length of the plastic hinge. Thank you for being with me.